Inverse functions. An inverse function exists if and only if the function is 1 to 1. The domain of the original function will be the range of the inverse function. The range of the original function will be the domain of the inverse function. These are crucially important points that you really need to remember. So, f maps in this direction, so this is the domain and this is the range. An inverse function has to undo what the function does. So that will map things in this direction. And indeed, for this particular pair of points, this point here must map back exactly to that point there. But the points are mapping in this direction, and therefore for the inverse function, this is the domain and this is the range. So how do we go about finding the inverse of a function? We write the given function using y instead of f of x. So we may have been given f of x equals some function, and we start by writing y equals that function. Rearrange to make x the subject of the formula. So it now reads x equals, and we'll have some stuff on this side which is in terms of y. Replace the x with f minus 1x, that's the notation we use, f minus 1x, and replace all of the y's that are over this side of the equation with x's. The important thing here is don't panic. Once you see a few examples, you'll see that this process is not that difficult.